Brooklyn Bedding's Arizona factory makes over 300 million individually encased coils every year. That's 14 million pounds of steel, enough to build the Eiffel Tower or 7 of the St. Louis Gateway Arch. Individually encased coils are an evolution of the creaky and unreliable old design of the traditional inner spring mattress. The coils begin their journey as these massive spools of steel wire. The wire is fed into a machine that compresses them into this spiral shape and then wraps them in a non-woven material. The coils are arranged into rows where they are fused together into a singular body of encased coils. They can make different size coils using different wire, which can be used to create different firmness. This machine is making firmer coils designed specifically for the outside edges of the mattress. They provide added durability and support so you don't roll out of bed in the middle of the night. Individually encased coils are just one example of the major innovations in the bedding industry, and you'd be genuinely shocked by how much more advanced sleeping technology has become in just the last decade alone. Here are a few uninterrupted clips of Brooklyn Bedding's machinery. I just find something about the process so damn satisfying. Thank you for watching, and good night.